lot has been said about this phone, so I decided to pick one for myself and show you and see what they're talking about. I have with me the forest green color, as you can see. Forest green, 6 gigabits of RAM and 128 GB. Yeah, so we'll go ahead and unbox this. See what's under the hood. Yeah. Within the box, you'll get the back cover with it. You can see that. It's a back cover. It's the ejector pin for the SIM card. Let's go ahead. And this, look at this. Wow! Look at this. Yeah, this is the forest green color. Beautiful. Come on, let's dig in. The phone has a 6.53 Full HD Plus display, and as you can see, it has a dewdrop display, full screen dewdrop display. It's 91.4% screen to body ratio. It's covered in Gorilla Glass, Gorilla Corning Glass 5. In case of any accidental falls, wear and tear. Plus, Xiaomi added with a P2i nano coating in case of any splashes, water splashes, accidental splashes. Well, under the hood, the Note 8 Pro has 6 gigabits of RAM, and I have myself the 128 GB version. This time Xiaomi had to go with the MediaTek Helio G90D chip, which Xiaomi is saying is providing 34% more power than the previous Snapdragon that was in the Note 7 Pro. Okay, this one has a 4,500 mAh battery. Wow, 4,500 mAh battery. For a mid-range phone, we'll have to use it for a few weeks to see how it lives up with that battery. And out of the box, it's coming with the 18 watts fast charging Type-C 3.0, as you can see. So, Note 8 Pro is Xiaomi's first phone consisting of the quad camera setup. It has the 64 megapixel, it has the 8 megapixel ultra wide lens, as you can see. It has a 2 megapixel macro lens with a 2 centimeter focusing distance. Plus, it has a 2 megapixel depth camera for portraits, as you can see. In the front, it has a 20 megapixel camera, 20 megapixel in the front within the notch, as you can see. And it has a 10 times digital zoom, and it can shoot 960 frames per second slow motion. So that's pretty nice. Well, that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. It's your boy Bar. See you next time.